Today is a weather-worn day as we are expecting our next winter storm to move into the area overnight tonight and into Thursday. But for the rest of today, things are going to remain very quiet. Partly to mostly cloudy skies out there right now on our weather eye in Johnstown, and temperatures sitting right around freezing with highs today into the low to mid 30s. Mostly cloudy skies continue heading into this afternoon. But just off to our west is that storm system that's going to move in overnight tonight, really bringing us a mix of everything. Seeing some rain, some ice, and eventually some snow as this system does start to make its way out of the area. And out ahead of that, we already do have some watches and warnings issued. Counties that are highlighted here under a winter storm watch for late tonight and into early on Friday. These counties likely going to see some higher snowfall totals, while just off to the west, counties highlighted here under an ice storm warning. That includes Somerset, Johnstown, Indiana, Punxsutawney, and DuBois, as here we'll likely see some much lower snowfall totals, but some much more significant icing as we head into tomorrow. So timing all this out on Futurecast, mostly cloudy and quiet into this afternoon, seeing highs into the low to mid 30s, and then just after midnight tonight, we start to bring in that wintry mix. Starting out as some freezing rain and sleet for much of tomorrow morning, so likely going to see a very slick morning commute for early tomorrow, remaining into that icy mix through around lunchtime tomorrow before we finally start to see some of that snow changeover, especially off to the east. That's where we'll see some of those heavier snow showers set up into State College, even into Huntington, Clearfield, and Emporium by tomorrow afternoon. Still remaining a wintry mix just off to the west, and as this system does begin to push out, heading into later tomorrow and into tomorrow night, leaving behind it just a couple of scattered snow showers for Friday and also into the start of our weekend on Saturday. So looking at our ice accumulation map for tomorrow and into early on Friday morning, highest accumulations going to be into Somerset and Cambria counties, up to around a quarter to a third of an inch of ice. So definitely going to be very slick out there tomorrow morning. Could see some downed trees and power lines leading to some power outages for tomorrow. Also going to be very breezy out there. So combining those wind speeds with the significant icing that we're going to see tomorrow, definitely going to create some problems on the roads. And then where we see less ice, we'll see more snow. So looking at our snowfall forecast for tomorrow, highest totals going to be off to the northeast, including Centre County around 4 to 7 inches, areas highlighted in blue, expecting around 2 to 4, and then much less where we are under that ice storm warning. So looking at our full 7-day forecast, wintry mix moves in for tomorrow, tapering off to a couple of snow showers for Friday into Saturday with highs in the 20s and 30s through the start of next week.